We believe simplicity is the path to perfection. But little did we know how much joy it can give. We have created the most intuitive smart home device ever, the button. With its own battery power and Bluetooth, this device is an incredibly useful switch and scene trigger. It is able to recognize 3 different actions: a single click, double click, and hold. The button is able to activate even the most complex scenes. Setup is easy via iPhone or iPad. The app tells you when the battery is running low and allows the device to be updated. Impressive, isn't it? We designed it to suit most spaces and be easily set up on any surface. Did we mention there are 8 colors to choose from? Our goal is to design solutions which are perfect, both in form as well as in their functionality. And now you get to explore what they can offer. Fibaro, the button.